Welcome back to the party. That is right, this is another HOLOLIVE reaction. We are here with something very special. Anya and Suisei have both put out their own covers of Phony, and I'm very excited to react to them both. We are going to be starting with Anya's cover, which I'm super excited for. I love Anya singing. She's a very good singer. I'm very talented. So we're going to start with her, and then we're going to move on to Suisei in the same video. So after we're done with Anya, stick around because we'll also be reacting to Suisei. But let's get started. All right, I'm ready. Suisei. Phony is a great. I said Suisei instead of Phony. I don't. Phony. I almost did it again. Phony is a great song. I'm excited to hear Anya's version of it. Let's go. I wonder. Oh, there is. Oh, I don't even need it. She thinks ahead. Okay, let's go, Anya. Oh. All right. Let's go, Anya. I'm ready. Her art looks amazing, by the way. This looks so good. I need to adjust this slightly. Ooh, let's go. God, Anya's got such a great voice. So underrated. I love her so much. Oh, I love that. Okay, I was curious of what was happening at first because the bouquets are upside down, but they're like hung by her fingers, I think. That's so interesting. I love it. Ooh, get it. All right, let's go. Ooh. Damn. Oh, I got chills. Anya, damn. That was good. That was fantastic. Anya, damn. Oh, that's cool. It's very subtle that the bouquets are just floating downwards, but I love it. I don't know what it is, but there's something about her, the way her face is drawn. I really like. I think her eyes, because her eyes are like really sunken in. It's so interesting to look at. Woo! Get it, girl! Damn! Dance time, about 11 seconds. I can't dance. It's just you gotta move your finger. Ooh, I like how this sounds. It's good. Hold on. I keep needing to adjust my camera. Damn! Oh, wow, look at her eyes. Ooh, Anya, damn! 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 Anya! Such a talented singer. Anya is absolutely amazing. By the way, I love her singing, and I think she really went all out in this cover of Phony. I really liked it. So good. So good, Anya. I cannot give enough praise. Very fantastic. All right, let's move on to Suisei's version of Why do I keep wanting to call Phony Suisei? That was like the 6th time I've done it. Let's move on to Suisei's version of Phony. Okay, well, it's not that hard to say. All right. This is the second song with Suisei I've heard today. She's got a cover up with Muna right now. Also fantastic. I'm excited for this as well. Ooh. It's just going a bit of a deeper tone. Suisei's got a pretty wide range, so I guess she can sing it however she wants, but I like it. I really like Phony, by the way. It's just a good song. We're getting a lot of covers of it, and it's great. Oh, I like her art. Her art's a bit more in line with the original, I think. I don't actually know. I haven't seen the original, but it looks like the other ones that I've seen were Anya's, whereas I just slightly different, but it was good. Both are great. Woo! Woo! Oh, she put a little spin at the end right there. Suisei does that all the time, where she puts like a twist or a twirl at the end of certain lines in songs, and I really appreciate that because she does it a lot, and I like it. Phony is such a creepy song. Like the vibe the video gives off, but I love it. It's great. Dance time. I always love it. It's always finds it really interesting when songs be like, okay, here's a break, here's like this amount of time, dance. It's very interesting what they're doing with these flowers. Oh, she has her hood up now. Ooh, let's go! Ooh, oh, okay, she just put a little growl in there. It's nice. God, she is such a range. It's impressive. I like how throughout there were like this when her image was being distorted, it made it look like she was actually singing. Well, she was actually singing, but it made it look like her image was singing. Okay, so that was two fairly different takes of Phony, but both were absolutely fantastic. Both were amazing. Both were fantastic. I would say I like the art probably a little bit more in Anya's. I think it was interesting. It was fun and slightly different from the other covers of Phony, which is I always enjoy having some differences going on, but both were absolutely amazing, both amazing singers. I'm very glad to listen to these. I'm sorry I'm late on them. I've been so busy. I've been so busy, but I'm here now. I'm catching up on things. That's why I'm putting out a couple of extra videos this week. But we're good. Okay. So if you guys enjoyed this reaction, click that notification bell so you know when I'm doing another video like this, and like, comment, and subscribe because that just super helps out the channel. Other than that, thank you for coming to the party.